All right, so how to edit your Beehive landing page using the new web builder for your Beehive newsletter. So in this video, we're going to be editing the landing page of the new newsletter that I'm uh, just using right now to help you guys understand how to use the platform a lot more, right? So we're going to go to Builder. Right. So this is the, how do you call it? This is the web builder, right? So the editor where you'll be able to make all your changes for your Beehive newsletter, right? So this is a lot better than before. Before it was a little bit much more harder to edit, but now it's just a lot more easier. So for now, we're going to be editing the homepage first, right? So homepage right here shows you what page you're in, right? And which helps a lot, right? And then if you want to switch to your subscribe page, it says subscribe right there. So we're going to just change that. So what we're going to do here is first just make this a little bit much more cleaner and better, right? So the first thing we're going to do is edit the nav bar, and we're going to remove this logo. Yeah. Now that we've done that, don't want to go back to the nav bar, right? So now that we removed the logo, that's what we want. I want to edit this form. I don't like it. So we're going to use templates. And this just makes it a lot more easier. Like all these options that they have now to just make your email a little bit much more nice. I like the dark pill. I'm gonna just go with simple round. Looks a little bit much more nicer. I like it, this one. Then of course, if you could just click, right? What I like about it is that it tells you what you're editing now, right? So if you want to you click here, right, it will change it, right? And so you could just come in and just edit anything that you want. I'm gonna leave it this because I like the font. We're gonna click this as well. We're gonna leave that this way. And then of course, because I don't have any posts right now, right? But this is where the post will be, right? I could change it. I like the simplicity of this one, but I also like the cards. This one here is this one. There we go. So that's how it will look, right? The most recent one, right? And what I like about this now is that it allows you to add a section. So you can add more sections to it. Oh. So these are popular landing pages, right? For your newsletter. Actually, I'm going to change my landing page to the hero. Oh, wait. I'm going to change it to this one, actually. Section. And we're going to move it to, we're going to move it a lot easier. Do that. Is, oops, we're going to change the color. Oops. Is, I like the subscribe button, so we're going to leave it as is. Yeah, okay. Yeah, they'll be able to see it. Then we're going to delete this one. So this one looks a lot more nicer. I like it. Right, I like this. That's the ad section here. Now, if I had like testimonials for this newsletter, right, I could probably just put testimonials, these are recommendations. We want that. This would actually be really smart to have. But we're gonna leave it as is. I don't like this. And we're gonna just remove some edit. We're gonna edit some things here. For this one, I don't want people to socials. Really need that. Yeah, we'll leave that there. I just like a lot more better this editor. Before it was just it was good, but this editor is just a lot better. One of my favorite features has to be um, the dragging because there's other platforms that I've used right to make edits, right, and I mean these arrows just makes a huge difference. All right, I might have to change this actually, and like once I have post, like I'll add the hero page instead, right? Because I think it'll be a lot more better. Right, but for now, this looks good. Uh, just do this and make sure to always publish, right? So right now it's saved, right? But it's not published, right? And then publish to live site. And we're good, right? So now we're gonna go ahead and edit the subscriber page, right? I'm going to make sure uh, yeah, do this, pages. We're gonna edit this here. As the subscribe page, I don't really want people to get distracted, so I just want them to focus and just give me their emails. We're gonna just replace that. And we're going to use the same one. Um, for now, we'll use the same one. There we go. Up we go. Hey, we're gonna delete this one. All right. So now that we have it, I think this looks pretty nice. Super simple, which I like. Right. So now when people come, I don't want them to get distracted, right? They'll want to go back to the editor. Sure. So no, what we want, right? So we don't want any distractions, right? So that's the number one thing that you want when you have your subscriber page, right? You want people to just click and subscribe to the email, like enter their email. I'm going to add, see if it's possible. I'm going to add any forms. Oh, we want it through email. See if I can find you. And what I like was you could select the automations, right? Like the sign up flow. Right now, I don't have any sign up flows. If I could find you, like it might not be possible. Let's see if it works. To add one. Let's try this. Minute. Let's see if it works. If it doesn't, we could just ignore it. Mm. See. In the meantime, I'm gonna save this in case. Forgot. Okay, so it added it, but yeah, it didn't add it like right here where I want it. Or there we go, I did it. Oh, it did work. I just have to uh, edit you. Oh, good. Put you back. I mean, I guess we could leave it there. Go, go. So there you go. We just edited a beautiful, simple subscriber page, right? Because, and you want to keep it simple, right? Remember, you want to keep it simple, no distractions. So I deleted like the footer, I deleted the nav bar. I do not want them to click anywhere else. You just want them to enter their email and get opt-in, right? Publish. So since it did work, we're gonna leave it. I'm gonna take a screenshot after. And we're not gonna make any other changes because the other ones don't really need it. Ooh. So that's the layers right here. Okay. And we're good to go. And then now that they're published, go back to the site builder and we're good to go. So if you guys have any questions about this, right, you can always just comment down below and I'll be happy to answer any of those questions that you might have when it comes to editing a landing page using the web builder. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.